My name is Monet Griffin and welcome to Miss Monet's Classroom, okay? Today we're gonna go over a topic that is adding negative integers, okay? Or adding negative numbers, either way. So I do have a number line here. It is red and blue, okay? My red numbers are negative, okay? And they go to infinity for the negative, and I have my blue numbers. They represent the positive side of the number line, okay? So as our number line, I'm gonna take note of this, okay? As our number line goes to the left, okay, all of these numbers right here are gonna be less than, okay? So we're gonna take note of that, okay? And also as I go to the right on the number line, all of my numbers are going to be positive. So we're gonna be greater than, okay? Let me write that right, greater than. Perfect, okay? So we have our first problem here. We have 4 problems that we want to work out. We have -4, and we want to add 6 to it, okay? So here's 0. -4 just means that I owe somebody money. Let's just say I borrow $4 from a friend, okay? So I don't have any money in my account, and I borrow some money from a friend. I owe them $4, so we're in the red, negative. So we're going to start there and put a point on -4. And then we're gonna add 6, okay? So we're going to the right on the number line, okay, a total of 6 times. And then also you might wanna take note that if my larger sign, okay, has a positive sign, my larger number has a positive sign on it, then we know that our answer is gonna be positive, okay? So I'm gonna use my blue marker, and we're actually going to go 6 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? So we come at a +2, and that's gonna be our answer, okay? Moving on to number 2, this is starting at a -1. So let's just say I go back to that friend, I borrow another $1, and then I'm adding more debt, okay? And I'm gonna borrow $2 more, okay? So now, what's the total debt that I owe that friend, okay? So we're gonna start with our red, because we're already in the red, okay? And then we're gonna go to the left 2 times, okay? Because we're owing more money here, all right? So that is going to be -3, okay? Is our total answer for that one, okay? Now we have number 3, okay? This one is a special problem because there's a special rule when we add a negative, okay? Or when we subtract a negative, mind you, okay? And we subtract another negative, the rule is these negatives are going to turn into a positive, okay? So in essence, we have -2 plus 3, okay? So we're going to start on the red. So we're in the red at -2, okay? And then we are going to add 3 times, okay? So let's add 3 times to the right. 1, 2, 3. We come up with a +1. Again, my positive sign is on the larger number 3, so we know our answer is going to be in the positive, okay? Finally, we have number 4, but we're actually going to start off with a positive number this time. We're going to start off with 3, okay? And then we have -5, so we know that our sign is on the larger number, -5, so our answer is going to be negative, okay? So we are going to go to the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end up at -2. And that is our final answer.